What's up, everyone, and welcome back. It's your boy D Fresh in the building. I hope you guys are out there enjoying this weekend, enjoying this Sunday, enjoying the past couple days we had away from the market, but you already know what time it is. It's about that time for us to get ready, set, locked, and loaded to be able to come up with a solid game plan to dominate this upcoming week session. But before we do that, y'all do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Let's go ahead and give a quick recap on Friday's session. We had Tesla slip about 1.4% under tech pressure. We had Hood outperform with a 2% gain, and SPY managed a modest close, hitting fresh highs throughout the session. Heading into Monday, the ongoing government shutdown could delay key economic data releases, adding uncertainty and fueling headline-driven moves. Family, stay sharp. This week could get volatile. Let's dive into the markets and see if we can identify key levels of interest for you to put on your radar in this week's session. Newbies, beginners, where y'all at? Y'all come on up to the table. First one out of the gate is going to be ticker symbol SOFI. And this one right here, they are sitting at 25.25. If you are a bull, you want to see them open somewhere around 25.80. If they can do that, you got to push right here to 26.20, and then boom, you got 26.60 in play. They got these tops to get through, 27, and then boom, you got another move to 27.30. To the downside, you want to see them open up somewhere around 24.80, let's say 24.65. They can do that. Next push down is going to be 24.20, and then boom, you got 23.70 in play. Next ticker up, I'm going to throw a earnings play on here. Ticker symbol APLD. I know a lot of people play this one right here. They got earnings and they report on Thursday. Key things to take away with this one right here. All eyes will be on execution. They've already locked in massive long-term leases with CoreWeave, ticker symbol CRWV. Another ticker that we follow and we dominate in. Expect volatility heading into Thursday. Strong guidance and a execution beat could spark a strong rally, but a miss on soft outlook could trigger a heavier pullback than most are bracing for. Let's go ahead and look at the charts to see if we can see some potential key areas of interest to pay attention to going into the Thursday's earning call. But again, family, in earning plays, understand the assignment in here. You catching the wave up or down and you cashing out, you selling, you getting out of that play before they report. You don't know what the other end is going to look like. You don't want to put your portfolio up against the uncertainty unless you understand the assignment. That means you are okay with what it looks like on the other side with a possible loss in your account, or it could be a possible gain depending on how high they pop that thing or how low, and depending on if you playing calls or puts. Not a risk I'm willing to take. I'd much rather ride the wave up or ride the wave down. Let's dive into it. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them get to these highs right here, 27.40. If they can do that, the next level is 27.85, and then boom, you got 28.30 before their next leg up. If they beat and the outlooks are strong on this right here, man, we coming past that 30. We gonna knock on that door and kick that thing down. To the downside, you want to see them open somewhere around 25.80. If they can do that, next level down, you got 25.20, and then boom, 24.05 will be in play, and it gets nasty after that. You got this stuff down here, 22.95, and then it keeps getting lower, but don't worry, if they cracking through those levels, you already know your boy Fresh will have those things updated throughout the session. All right, advanced traders, where y'all at? Y'all come on up. First one for you guys is going to be ticker symbol HOOD. And this one right here, they're sitting at 148.60. If you are a bull for the next leg up, you want to see them get through these tops right here or come back and retest this level, a break and retest before they move to the next leg higher. You want to see them get to that 150.20 area before they try to boom this thing to some higher stuff. To the downside, you want to see them get through these bottoms right here. You got 145.40. They can do that. Next push down, you got 143.60. Turbulence to getting down to 141.80. And if they show weakness right there, check this out. Boom! 137.80 in play. Next level down is going to be 134.85. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? Y'all come on up to the table. I got a couple for you. First one, you know, we're going to throw the SPY on there. They're sitting at 669.20. If you are a bull, you want to see them get back to this 670.90 area. If they can do that, they're going to grind this thing right back to these tops at 672.65 before they start setting their sights on 673, 675. You're going to see it. If they open up above that area, they're going to give that push to that 675. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 668.10. They can do that. Next push down is going to be to 666, and then you got 664.90 in play. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol TSLA. And this one, they're sitting at 429.90. And we seen the games that they played on this one right here. And then they start creeping this thing back up. We know what this level right here from 432 to about 420 area, that could go either way. And you see, we had the little rundown, and then they was able to reclaim that 420 area and start grinding that thing right back up. If you are a bull, you want to see them consolidate above 432.35. They can do that. Next push up, they starting to have different stopping grounds in here. Before it was a run up to 439, but now it's an area of interest right here at 435.50 before they can get to that 439.40 level. Holding this level right here, you got these tops right here at 444.35, and then boom, they come into 450.60. To the downside, you want to see them get through these bottoms right here at 424.20. They can do that. They coming right back to this key area at 420.35. They lose that. They're going to try to grind this thing all the way back down to this 414.40 area. Next, you got 412. You got turbulence all the way to about 411. And then it gets nasty. You got 408.35. And then boom, you got 401.40 will be in play. Those are a couple key different levels of interest and a few different tickers that will be hot this week. These 5 tickers will be hot. You can make money with the volatility that these tickers is going to bring, whether they pulling back to the downside. These are some tickers that you can get busy and dominate in and finish out the week making some good money in until we get a resolution on the government shutdown and all that good stuff. A, see profit, take profit. B, do not be greedy in any play, aka we ain't marrying any plays. You see profit, take profit, see green, take green, because we seen how fast that things can turn around. You could be booming this thing in a matter of minutes. That thing could reverse, and we seen some of the violent candles in Friday's session, how bad and how quick that the game can turn around. You could be positive in a blink of an eye, a snap of a finger, you can be in the negatives. Don't let that happen to you. Be greedy until we get some type of resolution in this government shutdown game that they're playing. So again, family, we back at it tomorrow, first thing in the morning. Can't wait to see you guys. I done took enough of your time, but if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.